Today also I will start the chapter definite integrals. Now the first example is 0 to pi by 2 log tan x dx. Now let I equal to, that is I for integration, I equal to this. So I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log tan x dx. This is equation number 1. Since from the properties of definite integral we know that 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to f a minus x dx. So by applying the property I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log tan pi by 2 minus x, because it is a minus x, so in place of a it is pi by 2, so pi by 2 minus x dx. Now tan 90 minus theta, what is this? Cot theta, so log tan cot x dx. Now adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, we get what? This is I, this is also I, that is I plus I 2I. Now 0 to pi by 2 log tan x plus log cot x, then log tan x plus log cot x equal to log tan x into cot x, then this is equal to 1, that is 0 to pi by 2 log 1, and the value of log 1 equal to 0, so the value of the integration I equal to 0. The next example is 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. Let I equal to, same, I equal to, this is the I, that is the integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx, that is I equal to 0 to pi by 4. Now applying the formula, same formula, 0 to fx dx equal to 0 to f a minus x dx. So 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x, because in place of a it is pi by 4. Now applying the formula tan a minus b, that is tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b. So 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b, that is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, that is after calculating we will get 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx, that is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 by 1 plus tan x dx, that is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus, by the property of log, division, in case of division this would be minus, and in place of multiplication it would be plus, so it is log 2 minus log 1 plus tan x dx. Now adding 1 and 2, that is 1 and that is 2, we get 2i, I plus I 2i equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx, that is log 2 is constant, so log 2 integration of 0 to pi by 4 dx, and integration of dx only x, so log 2 x, this is the limit, lower limit and upper limit, so log 2 pi by 4 minus 0, that is pi by 4 log 2, so I equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is the answer. And the next example is 0 to pi by 2 root over sin x by root over sin x plus root over cos x dx. Now let I equal to 0 to pi by 2 root over sin x by root over sin x plus root over cos x. Now applying the same formula, that is 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. Now I equal to 0 to pi by 2 root over sin pi by 2 minus x root over pi by 2 minus x sin plus root over cos pi by 2 minus x dx. Now sin 90 minus theta cos theta, and sin cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So write it down, 0 to pi by 2 root over cos x by root over cos x plus root over sin x dx. And now adding 1 and 2, we get what? I plus I 2i, and this from the right hand side we get root over sin x plus root over cos x by root over sin x plus root over cos x, that is only 0 to pi by 2 dx, and integration of dx equal to only x, so 2i equal to x, 0 to pi by 2, that is the lower limit and upper limit, that is pi by 2 minus 0, that is equal to pi by 2, so I equal to pi by 4. This is the result.